Hello, guys. I'm in the middle of something important here. I'm designing a new house. What's Sue doing in the meantime? She's making a cool miniature house.
Da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da. Meow, meow. Oh, hello, guys.
Susie, tell us what kind of house you're making today.
Oh, we've never made a house like this before. It's a loft with a cozy garden on the rooftop.
A real garden? Wow.
Yes, there will be a lot of plants in this house.
Seems like I have to retrain for a gardener.
You think so?
How else can I take care of our new garden?
But Sammy, this garden will be made…
With love and great skills of Slime Sam.
That's not what I was going to say, but…
You better start giving me tasks instead of reasoning, Susie. For example, what kind of furniture will we have?
First of all, a big comfy shelf for various small items.
I got it, Susie! Various small items for the shelf. Here I come!
Guys, do you remember our previous videos with miniature houses? If you didn't watch them, you should do it right after finishing this one. And if you did watch them, give a thumbs up and write which house you liked most of all. The shelf is ready. Let's put it in its place.
It looks incomplete without items.
You're right. Let's fix this.
I've been trying to figure out who can be the owner of this house.
Well, among other things, she's fond of photography.
Does this house belong to a nice old lady?
Yes. Her name's Dora, and she loves cats. And many other things.
Elegant tables, for instance.
Right, Sammy? You made a lovely table. It's for a houseplant.
Should I start making the armchair?
Don't rush, Sam. We've got much to do before the armchair. There'll only be one lamp in the house. This one. Modern. Pop. Not bad.
We should attach the lamp to the ceiling. In our case, the glass ceiling is also the roof.
Cool, right?
Yeah, I've never lived in a house with a glass roof. But I'm sure it's super cool.
Yeah. I'm curious to know what it feels like.
Let's ask Dora after she lives here for a while.
Dora? Deal. Let's hide the wires under the floor to get them out of the way. Be careful with wires, guys. Right, this corner needs a bit more work. There will be a nice wide windowsill.
It'll be decorated even from the outside.
Aha! Every detail here is a masterpiece. Do you agree, guys? Aw, this pillow on the window is adorable.
Okay, can I start making the armchair?
All right, make it if you're so eager. While I finish this awesome tree. I made the trunk out of twisted wire. Now let's make this tree look even more real. Guys, have you ever planted a tree? Tell me in the comments. Adding the leaves, of course. That's Dora's motto on a pretty board. Do you like it?
I really like this armchair. I got confused. Sue, can you help me with it? Sue, did you make that tree without me?
Sammy, there'll be much more greenery in this house. You can start making it.
Yeah? Alright.
Aw, such a lovely armchair. Must be so cozy to climb into it and read a book. Guys, do you like reading? What was the last book you read? I put a carpet here for coziness. And there it is, our armchair.
You're right, Susie. There's lots of plants and other decoration stuff.
Great! Let's arrange them in the room.
Here are the plants for the roof.
Hey, wait!
What's wrong?
We didn't prepare the roof for the plants! It's going to be the cutest little garden on the rooftop. I feel like doing some gardening now, too. So soft. Next to the garden, we're making a patio on the roof for quiet reflection. Oh, guys, I'll show you how to make a mini wicket out of wire. We don't actually need to secure the garden, but the gate will make it more cozy.
So, can I finally bring the plants? I took proper care of them.
Yes, bring them in. I'm done.
Here's the greenery.
Huh, I guess you forgot one plant, Sammy. But don't worry, I'll take care of it.
Susie, but it's a cactus.
So what?
Well, it's prickly.
No, Sammy. This cactus is not prickly. Trust me. Remember, there are decorative, non-prickly cactuses.
It's hard to forget, dear Susie. I remembered it too late.
Oh, let's add some more flowers. So beautiful. We'll need a comfortable bench for the patio.
Shouldn't it also be beautiful? Let me color it.
I'm not so sure.
Susie!
Just kidding, of course you can take it. We also need… ta-da! A table. Right, let's make a base for the patio. Railing is obligatory for the roof, to make sure no one falls down. It fits perfectly! Aww. I'm adding a cozy carpet here as well.
Here's the bench.
Perfect, Sammy. Just in time. I think our Dora is going to spend quite a lot of time here. So let's prepare refreshing drinks for her.
Is the second glass for me?
Well, if she invites you.
All right, what else?
You need to make the staircase and items for the cat.
Oh, this time the staircase is on you.
I can't believe Sam trusted me to make the staircase. Do you remember that Sam is the chief master of stairs? I guess I'll have to give it my best shot to show my skill. Especially because the staircase is so beautiful and unusual. What kind of stairs do you have at home? Write in the comments. This is the place for our staircase. Another important detail is the banister. Even our staircase will be green. That is, with plants. Beautiful.
And here's the cat delivery.
Oh, Sammy, what an adorable bed. Just like Fluffy's. There you go, kitty. Make yourself comfortable.
Hooray! Our rooftop house for Dora is ready. So, turn the light on. Susie, I hope it's not our last house.
Of course not, Sammy.
Guys, subscribe to our channel not to miss new videos with miniature houses.
And give a thumbs up if you like this one. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.